was staying up all in the west side, turning on my days into nights. I was waiting up all in the west side, waiting for your call, but you had someone else in mind. All I had was love for ya, yeah. All I had was love.
Good morning. Riding up Owlhead today, just local to Sicamous here. This is day 3 of actual riding. We kind of took yesterday easy, loaded sleds, got into Sicamous in town, and got our groceries and all sorted and all packed, ready to go today. So off we go this morning. That's a big hole too. Held throttle too long. Okay, well, time to dig. While we're out, that log kind of screwed me up, which would explain why I just suddenly stopped and went vertical. I think Justin's stuck down the bottom and I gotta give him a ski pole, so off we go. Oh, there's a hole. Nowhere to put my foot there. Oh, he's out. Cool. See if I can make her up here. Tired from digging out. Okay. Oh yeah, you get in trouble in here. He's here. Yay. Yeah. Just wasn't looking where I was going. I looked down there, and of course, so I went down there. Oh no. What's with this getting jumps? Alright, we'll see this thing. Right for the tree. Oh no. That's... Well, snack break over. That boy loves that jump. Sun poking out. That's good. Let's go do some stuff. Not break shit though. No, breaking stuff's bad. This is stupid. Perfect. Yeah, nope, there you go. Whoop. Easy on the throttle, easy on the throttle. Too fast, man. Little short burps. Right? Side hill's not a race, right? It helps. Speed helps a bit, but start slow. Right? Just little burps. Yeah. Nope. Going the other way. There you go, fella. Awesome. Man, these tinted goggles are so much nicer. Don't go over the edge, buddy. What am I trying to teach him stuff for? He's got it. Whoa, there's a big hole there. No, everything seems fine. Yeah, I got that line on GoPro too. Oh, that's a hole. Well, looks like today's ending short. I'm pretty sure I can warranty this track. It's brand new, like it's got, I don't even think 300 kilometers on it, and it's just blown out right by the drivers, half of it. So trying to ease her way out of the trail before she blows off completely. Just take her easy, I guess. Fingers crossed. So up to Justin. Be a long trail ride out. Well, guys, needless to say, today didn't go as well as planned either. Track blows out, things go wrong, right? So there's not a whole lot I can do about it. We did luckily manage to find a new track, 20 minutes away or so here. So we're, as soon as I finish editing here, it's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night right now. Time to put the new one on right here. Big thanks to all the locals here who helped me find it out. I'd like to give a shout out to Max Machine. He helped me out a big time in finding the track. I'll see if he has a website and I'll put it down below. But if you're in Sicamous and you need snowmobile parts, definitely hit him up. Super friendly guy. So, see you next time. Hi, Justin.